Hello, boys and girls. This week, our phonics lesson is going to be using compound words that we already know to make new words. So right now, I want you to look over the collection from last week. And I want you to pause the video for about 30 seconds, and I want you to read those words to yourself quietly. Not only can you read these big words, long words now, but hopefully you're realizing that when you come to any long words, instead of getting all worried and scared, you're going to say to yourself, "You big, long, complicated word, you might make someone else shiver and shake, but not me." I know that some words are actually two smaller words stuck together, and I will read you. So today, I want to teach you that once you've learned compound words, you do more than use them as they are. You can make tons and tons of new words, which will give you a huge boost to your reading and writing. So what you do next, boys and girls, is you are going to mix and match these little words inside. And I'm going to demonstrate the steps for you by doing this, and then you can try it with the rest of the compound words you've learned. Okay, so first we are going to take a look at our first word, snowman. Let's look at this word right over here, snowman. So I see that there's two smaller words in snowman, and I know that one word is snow and the other one's man. So I'm just going to take this word and I'm just going to cut the two words apart to make two smaller words, just like that. Okay, you see that? Now I have snow and I have man. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to do it to this one. I'm finding the words fire, storm. I can't just cut anywhere, right? I have to find the two smaller words. So I have fire and I have storm. Now let's look at workplace. Okay, you should be thinking about this before I beat you to it. I want you to beat me to it. What are the two smaller words? That's right, work and place. So let's cut right here between work and place, and let's separate those words. Look, there you have those big compound words are now just two smaller words. And we're going to use these words and we're going to mix and match and we're going to put them together to see if we can make new words, okay? Okay, you ready? Here comes the mix and match part. So I'm going to use these compound words, snow, man, fire, and storm. So let's move these around. Let's take man away. Let's take storm away, and let's put these two together. Snow fire. Snow fire. I think to myself, snow and fire, that doesn't really make a new word, and it really doesn't make sense, snow and fire. So let's not do that one. Let's see. I already had snowman, so that won't make sense. Ooh, what about snowstorm? Let's try that one. So let's move this here, and let's move this right here. Snow storm. Well, I know snow is a big type of weather, right? And storm makes it a bigger weather event. That's a word, a compound word, snowstorm. So you see, boys and girls, I took these compound words that I had before, like firestorm and snowman, and I cut them apart and I mixed and matched and I made snowstorm. Let's see if we can do it again. Well, when I look to see what's left over, I see fire and man. Can I put these two together? Yep, that's right. I can put fire and man together. And now I can actually use fireman in a sentence. So for example, I was driving down the street and I saw a fireman riding in his fire truck. So you see, boys and girls, how I broke up those other compound words. I mixed and matched the little words within those compound words to make a new compound word. Okay, boys and girls, I want you to go ahead and continue cutting up your words. For example, stunt woman, we're going to cut it up. I'm going to cut up baseball. and we're going to cut up superstar. And once you have those all cut up and all separated, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Google Slides that I have for you here, and you're going to move the words to create new words. So if you take a look here, I want you to maneuver these so it's going to look something like this. I'm going to go into the slide, and then I'm going to just move these words around like super, and I'm going to try to put them together. Superstar. Okay, so just move them around to make words, and then after you've made your words, you're going to go to the next slide, and you're going to compose. That means to make, to write 5 sentences with your new compound words. And the example that I gave for you is, when I was little, it snowed so much that my sister and I had a snowball fight. So I used the word in snowstorm. I use the word snow in snowstorm and ball in baseball, and I put these 2 words together to make snowball. And that's what I want you guys to do, okay?